If you've been deactivated from the Spark Driver platform, I want to show you in this video what email you need to send your arbitration to, and I want to show you what I wrote when I made out my arbitration on my deactivation. Let's get to it right now. For you to begin your arbitration, you're going to need to send your email to sparkappnotices@walmart.com. Again, that's sparkappnotices@walmart.com. It is not really easy to find this information. Even on their website, it's hard to find. I did have to reach out to customer service to receive this information, and I sent my arbitration about a week ago to this email, and it definitely is the right location because I got an instant response from Spark on my email that my email was received and that my information was going to be looked through. And I want to go through what I said on my arbitration email so you guys have an idea what to write when you're writing yours. Let me go through it right now. Good afternoon. As a Spark driver who has completed over 2,200 deliveries, I recently had my account deactivated due to a customer complaint for invasion of privacy. I have always tried to operate under the Spark Driver app guidelines in a professional manner and have never intended to invade anyone's privacy or go against the guidelines required as a Spark driver. If there has been at a time that I entered someone's home, it's been with permission, and 100% of the time, as I recall, it had been requested by the customer due to an ailment of themselves not physically being strong enough to bring their groceries in their own home. The customers that I have entered their home appreciated me helping them get their groceries inside, and I've always been given permission to enter those areas of their property. I have no intention on invading someone's privacy or causing them harm. To the contrary, I like delivering for the Spark Driver app to provide a good quality service for my community members, and I would appreciate being able to get back on the Spark Driver app to continue providing high-level customer service to service in my community. This way of income is my main earnings power to help raise my 4 children and support my family, and has put my family into a hardship because of this very vague concern. I would appreciate understanding exactly what I did wrong with details and with an ability to right the wrong and make myself a better driver so that I prevent this type of thing from happening in the future for any customer I am serving. Some further education on how I can improve would be helpful for me and other drivers in the same situation. Please take my concern and need to get back on the Spark Driver app into serious consideration. I appreciate your time. Thank you. Don't be afraid to put in your letter some personal things about your kids, your family, the hardship this may have put you in. Put in there the information that it's very vague, that you don't really understand, that you're willing to learn more and more. Put in information that tells them you are serious about being a Spark driver and you want to get better and better and better. All this information is helpful for them to know that you do care about being a Spark driver. You're willing to learn, you're willing to grow, you're willing to right the wrong and make things better. And hopefully this arbitration goes good for you. Next step will be receiving the email, and I'm going to show you the email right now that they sent me so you know what to do and how long it's going to take for them to get back to you when you're waiting on your arbitration to get taken care of. Thank you for contacting us regarding your Spark Driver account. We've received your pre-arbitration telephone conference request. Pre-arbitration telephone conferences are scheduled within 30 to 45 days of your request to allow adequate time to research your concerns. Please watch for follow-up communications or a phone message for updates. Please do not send multiple emails or requests to this inbox or to other Walmart email inboxes, as this will not expedite the process and only risk causing delays. Had to go get a haircut in between clips, but we're back. And now I want to say thanks for watching this video. I hope the arbitration goes well for you. If you weren't aware of how to do this and what to write on this, I hope what I said and I showed you on the email that you need to send your arbitration to are helpful. And I wish you the best of luck going through your arbitration. And I'm sorry that you lost your ability to do the Spark Driver app. Until next time, y'all take care.